So I'm going to read to you a letter that I wrote to my friend explaining how I'm doing to protect myself. So, hey M, I saw your question. Not enough room for me to say it all. I understand you are concerned. I am too. So I will tell you what I'm doing to protect myself and mainly my mom who is at high risk. So this is what I've been doing. I no longer go out to get groceries. I have not been to the grocery store since March 9th. When the groceries come, I do this. We have a large porch, and on the porch, I put a chair blocking the way to the door, leaving about 6 foot or so. We have a long porch. There is a sign that says, "Stop here, please." I then go out with a basket, gloves, and spray bottle. I spray everything down with alcohol. It should be less than 91%, but greater than 70%. If it is fresh produce, I spray the outside of the bag, as it will be washed later, and I will use dish soap. And for things like apples, pears, avocados, bananas, I will wash off the outside. Now, things that are like cabbage, it will be boiled, so I just make sure to clean the packaging around it off well. As if I put soap on the cabbage, I may not get it all off. Make sure to dry everything off before putting away if it's still damp, but it should dry pretty quick if you use alcohol. You can also use a weak bleach solution. I forget the exact amount. It's like a tablespoon per 4 cups or something, but look it up for the correct ratio. I have been cleaning the mail off in all packages. For the mail, I use Lysol wipes. I wipe each side and let it dry. Packages I open outside, and I do not bring the box in the house. And I use gloves with that too. I then spray or wipe down the items that were inside the box. I am really overdoing it, and I hope you do not mind this long message. I know this sounds like I'm overdoing it, but I come from a background of working in a factory clean room for years, taking classes and teaching classes in family consumer sciences, which is related to family health and wellness. And I've also taught culinary arts. Chefs know a lot about what to do to prevent the spread of bacteria. So yeah, I've written a lot, but it is because I care, and I hope it is helpful. I highly suggest that you stay home and practice extreme social distancing. Only go for walks and runs to get outside and keep away from others. If you must go to the store, wear gloves and a mask. This is not 100% protection. Your eyes should be covered as well. But a mask and gloves do provide some level of protection. When you return home, clean your shoes. Clean everything that is coming into your home. Wash your clothing and shower head to toe as soon as stepping into the house. I hope Dr. Fauci answers you soon, but I saw him speaking and he said, if you think you are overdoing it, then you are doing it right.